YouTube. Working on some big bores and some sewing machines. Doing the QS8s on the sewing machines for the 12S setup. That's what Chris at RC 5th Scale Garage was telling me about. I guess Pete Langer, RC Alchemy, was talking about it. Told him, shout out to both of them. Swapping out my receiver and my Outlaw. Kind of switching radios around and stuff. Double checking kill switches since my incident. I got an MOD in this one, and my ALX, I just put an MOD in that. This will have a brand new receiver, the ALX, Losi 5T 2.0. Also got a brand new receiver. This is also a brand new Fly Sky right there. This is my 12S sewing machine. Did the Vidavon 2-piece ESC mount with the 2-piece rear shaft setup. And since it's hard to get the 2.0 shafts, I figured it would kill two birds with one stone. And these are number 48 heavy chromoly steel shafts. Hopefully handle this 12S power. And the double setup I got from RC 5th Scale Garage also. This is just a mock-up, so I know how long to make my ESC wires and my jumper. And did a vertigo front brace on here since I took the turtle out. I wanted to keep the full set. I'll put them in one of my other Losis. It's nice to have a complete set. Figured might as well, because I had the vertigo around from my hybrid build that I went all back to Taylor on. So, just finishing out my day here, popping tops, pouring down rain, getting my setup correct. I don't like wires all over the place. Even though it is electric, it's got to be a clean build. And I'll probably get a piece of carbon fiber tubing, and I got some nice bolt down wire mold loops.
Liberty Mutual customized my car insurance.
They're also carbon fiber.
Great. I know, I've been telling everyone.
I did the Vidavon receiver tray here. I'm waiting on some Vidavon battery trays. I do have a top tuning tray, but it's a little small. I was gonna make my own for the back, and then I emailed Vidavon, and I bought a bunch of stuff from Vidavon. I like their stuff. It's like Taylor quality for the electric stuff. You know, he does a lot of Arma and Traxxas stuff. It's expensive, but you do get what you pay for. I know it's still Chinese, but you can't keep being racist with the China stuff. He makes good stuff. There's several good companies out there. I mean, the quality of that, I just want to show you the sweetness. It's just unbelievable. Exact fitment onto the Losi. You know, there's no, I mean, look at how close those shafts fit.
It was an incredible view. He got me. Yeah, I upgraded. I don't do too much. I literally just play cards and dominoes and
I got proper gear mesh on there.
Like, where's this card?
I'm gonna loosen it up just a skosh.
And then I'll put my clothes away. And then I'll beat somebody in cards. Yeah.
It's just a mock-up phase. Probably be ready to rip it in a couple days. ALX is going outside first.
It's the place to be. Great.
ALX, and then
it's on the water, so you
want to rip the hybrid some more. The Outlaw, and the hybrid will come out with the Diablo again.
It's for sure my favorite hotel because my daughter has
I got some soldering to do.
More about
just figured I'd do a quick video.
Comfortable when it comes to my family.
What do you think, honey?
Just
I know what I could play for your birthday.
Yeah, that's it for now.